What's going on, everybody? Today we are at Harrah's, gonna do a room tour of the Valley Tower Queen room in room 21021. Check it out. Alrighty, so coming into the room, for those of you who have connecting rooms, this will be your access point. This will be the door that you will use to connect your access rooms. Your connecting rooms. To the left of the entryway, here is the updated bathroom. So as you see here, you've got a backlit mirror. You've got the updated countertops here. There is your toilet. And then here is a standing shower. So this is updated as well. Got newer tiling, and then there are dispensers for the body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. So I know some people like the dispensers, and then some people will prefer the actual bottle. So preference is to those of the chooser. As you slide this door over, that will slide to close the bathroom, and this is your closet. So you've got an in-room safe for those of you who need to lock up your valuables. Iron, here is an ironing board as well as some hangers and a luggage rack for those who need it. Opposite side of the closet is your full body mirror. You get to check yourself out before you hit the strip. For those of you who need it, that'll be there for you. Coming into the main part of the room, as you see over here, you've got your 2 queen beds with the updated wall here. Opposite side here, you've got another mirror here. This will be like a desk area for those who want to, you consider this like a vanity mirror. So for those of you who need to get yourself glamified, you've got a little vanity area. This is a flat screen TV with an ice bucket and cups complimentary of the rooms. And then down here you just have some drawers for those who need the storage. So you just literally just press them in to open them and press them to lock them. You've got a complimentary coffee maker with coffee as well. So for all of the coffee drinkers, you will get that included in the room. And this will be like your desk area. So if you need to handle some work, you've got a chair and a desk to do so. And that is just the clock radio. Then over here, this would be like your little dining room area. So you've got a couple of chairs, and then you've got a table as well. And then again, another big mirror. So if you're a mirror person, this would be a perfect room for you. And then the view for the finale, you get a view of the pool in the city. So there's the hotel pool down there, and then you get a nice city view. You can also see parts of the strip, and this will be the link next to you as well. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.